here's a quick demo on how to do the Jack on the Net CSS animated. So I'm at the page. It says quick start, include CSS3 animated.js at the end of your file and animations in the head. So let me actually find the folder. I downloaded it. Let me go to my downloads. Okay, so I downloaded it as a zip, and I've opened it up. So it wants CSS3 animated.js. So there's animated. Let me make sure that that's probably the file they want. I'm sure it is because there's only one other one, jQuery JSON. Okay, so that one, I'm going to stick it in my scripts folder. And then the other one is the CSS animations.css is going to go in my CSS folder. So first thing I want to do is make sure that I've linked those. Let me, come on. Oops, index.html. Okay, cool. So down here, I'm going to include that script. Source equals, and then I'm going to say scripts, and the name of it is CSS3 animated. CSS3-animate it.js. Okay, so I'm pointing to that. You'll also need jQuery, which I don't have, so let me grab it. If you just type in jQuery CDN, you'll get a page. You already have this in your template, but I just didn't grab it. So I'm going to grab that link. Make sure this is above my animated. And then I need the CSS. So I'm going to say link. I'm going to point it to CSS / let's look at the name of that, animations.css. Okay, I believe that is it for files. And so then there's two things about this. You need to have a parent. The parent has to have a class called animated parent. So let's set that first. So I'm just going to do a header. So I'll just paste that, and then sure, we'll just use their demo. So class animated bounce. So we're calling this class, and then our stuff is going to do bounce in down. So if I view this in a browser, it's bouncing in and down. So let's say this is an image. You would just do, well, we can just get rid of all of this. So I'll just do http baseskitten.com 400. Okay, and then I'll say class equals animated, and let's just like look for another one. So we'll go to the site, see animation list. Hurry up. Okay, so bounce in down, bounce in right, bounce in up. We'll do bounce in up. And then I just say space, bounce in up. And that should make my go bounce in. Boing. That video was probably, so there's my kitty. Boing. Okay. The other one is, let's say I have two kitties. I'll do one that's like 200 by 200. And I want this one to go first and this one to go second. So let's look at their site. They have this like data. I'm just going to look for the word data. Okay, I'm going to pause so I can find it. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. So this is just on the home page. If you scroll down a little, it tells you how to add that the delay. So I can say data sequence equals 500, which is a half a second. And what that means is that if I have an ID of 1 and then an ID of 2, the first one will load and then the second one will load later. So I'm going to put that up here. Data sequence 0. I just wanted to mention, see how this is single quote? Single or double quote, doesn't matter. HTML is nice that way. And then data dash ID. So I will give this I will add a data ID of 1 and a data ID of 2 here, so I can show you what that would look like. Okay, so 1 cat, 2 cats, right? 1 cat, 2 cats. If I change both of the IDs to 1, they'll both load at the same time, which you may want, like maybe all your headers on your whole page you want to sort of bounce in at the same time, and then maybe the subheaders would bounce in twice. You can do that. These don't have to be in any order whatsoever. Okay, I hope that was helpful. See you next week.